Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this chicken. That looks good, doesn't it? We're going to make this with Coca-Cola, soy sauce, garlic, pepper, oyster sauce. It is amazing, super sweet. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in this bowl, I've got chicken legs. I've got 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. There are 6 of them. They're not huge. They're not huge legs. And you can see that I've scored them just open there. So the bone is in, the skin is on. Watch this, this is very simple. Black pepper, nice and generous. A tablespoon of chopped garlic. A can of Coca-Cola. That's going to give it, obviously, lots of sweetness and some colour. We're not adding salt to this because we're adding a cup of a light soy, very salty. We're adding half a cup of oyster sauce, again salty. And a cup of ketchup, tomato ketchup. Now you can see that I've got a glove on because I'm about to go in and give this a little mix up. We're going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator. An absolute minimum of 2 hours overnight is where you want it to be. So look, I left my one overnight completely, so it's like 8 or 9 hours later. Really, really beautiful this. Now what you can do is you can barbecue this. Fabulous. We're going to just do it in a pan. So I'm going to take the chicken out. I'm going to discard the Coca-Cola and all the marination there. Some people will cook it in it. I'm just going to go in a fairly dry pan with this one. Beautiful stuff. So you're going to need a skillet or a large pan or something. In there I've got some oil. I'm using corn oil. I think you can use any oil you like, really. It's up to you. So look, let's just take a look at the chicken there. So I've not thrown away all of that marination. There's still a bit in there, and you can see it's coloured quite rapidly with the soy and the Coca-Cola. We're now going to take these pieces and we're going to drop them in. Now I am on slightly below medium heat. You don't want this up too high. In they go. And I've got a little bit of that marination there, which we're going to add in a moment. So we're going to go 3 minutes, 4 minutes aside. Then we're going to add the marination that we've got. You need to add the marination very early on. Don't do it late, because that's basically been sitting in raw chicken, hasn't it? So you need to cook it off. So 3 or 4 minutes now aside, medium heat or just slightly below medium. Then we add the marination, then we cook again. Wonderful stuff, super easy. So I've been turning that over a few times. You can hear that it's not going crazy. Now that bit of marination, now you don't have to do this. You could just go like that and cook it until it's done. But I like to get this in now. And like I say, it has to go in now if you're going to do this. Don't put this in later. You don't want to be putting a raw, soaked chicken marination onto cooked chicken. We need to cook it all off now. Okay, so I'm going to go for about another maybe 5 or 6 minutes aside on this beautifully low heat. That's going to kind of burn off and maybe even blacken a bit. It gets very sticky and blackens, gives it a lovely flavour. Keep them flipping over, flip, flip, flip. Okay, job done, off goes the heat. You can see that we're pretty much left with just oil in there now. It's all kind of cooked out and it's blackened nicely on there. That's a really beautiful, tasty, sweet chicken. Okay, just top that off with some spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever the hell you call them. Blimey, so many names. That is beautiful, sticky, sweet, lovely fried chicken. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.